Hello my dear children, welcome to computer science class. MS Word 2007 Tables. A table is a set of data arranged in rows, that is horizontal, and columns, that is vertical. Tables are helpful when you present complex information in a easy to read format. You can add text, numbers and pictures in a table. Tables can be inserted in three ways. Method 1, using the insert table command. Method 2, using the table grid. And method 3, using the draw table button. Children, let us know about method 1, using the insert table command in Word 2007. Place the cursor, that is the inserting point, where you want to insert the table. Click the Insert Table on the ribbon. Click the Table button from the Tables group. An Insert Table drop-down menu appears. Click the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box appears as shown here. Specify the numbers of columns and rows you want to create in number of columns and number of rows field. You can also use the arrows to increase or decrease the number of rows and columns. Click OK. By default, Word displays 5 columns and 2 rows in the Insert Table dialog box. You can also use the arrows to increase or decrease the numbers of rows and columns. Then click OK. You can get the table using the Insert Table command. This is first method. MS Word creates the table at the inserting point where you have placed your cursor. Let us see method 2, using the table grid. This is just another way of inserting a table in your document. Place the cursor where you want to insert your table in the document. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the Table button from the Tables group. An Insert Table drop-down menu appears. Display a table grid. Drag the mouse down and across the grid unit until the required number of columns and rows are selected. In the given picture, you could see that 4 into 4 tables is selected. Release the mouse button and you can see that a table with 4 rows and 4 columns is created. Now method 2 is completed. Let us see the method 3, using the draw table button. To draw a table using draw table button, place the cursor where you want to insert your table in the document. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click the Table button from the Tables group. An Insert Table drop-down menu appears. Click on Draw Table from the drop-down list. The cursor changed into a pencil. Use the pencil to draw the column and rows in the table. Press Escape key when you are done. Children, look at this, how to draw the column Another one model I will show to you. Draw the columns and rows. We can do in multiple columns and multiple rows also we can create. After creating the columns and rows, press escape key. This is the third method. So children, are you understand the three ways tables can be inserted? Using the insert table command and using the table grid and using the draw table button.